All right, guys. When you have a liquid in a graduated cylinder like this, what do you look at to measure the amount of liquid? The bottom of, it's called the meniscus. M-E-N-I-S-C-U-S. Meniscus. Okay? So everybody look very carefully at what we have up here. All right? Pretty good. All right? Is it dead on 20? I asked for about 20. Is it dead on 20?
No. It's just a wee bit up.
I mean, above it?
Yeah.
I think it might. That might be the top edge. We're looking at the bottom edge. Let's wiggle a little. Where's the bottom? Can you see?
It's a little bit under.
It's just barely under, maybe. What do you think? All right. Look carefully at where the numbers are, and in your lab notebook, you're going to write a measurement for what you see. Now, you already have an observation even before that, because you should have heard me tell what she was supposed to put in here. Okay? Now, once everybody's written down a measurement, we can talk about what the measurement ought to be. Okay? I kind of helped you a little bit in the beginning. You need to learn how to do this on your own. All right, we're going to go from being chem toddlers.
But we're chem babies.
Yeah, but if you can do it without me holding your hand, you're beyond being a toddler, aren't you? Yeah. If I have to hold your hand, you're a chem baby or a chem toddler. But if you're, what comes after that? Chem kindergartner? Okay. Anyway. All right. All right. So let's talk about what it should be then. Somebody want to share with the class your measurement? Houston, you raise your hand for everything. Yes.
I got 19.8 milliliters.
19.8 he says. Okay. You got 19.9. Yes. 19.9. 9.7. You can only estimate one more digit than the markings on the device. Let's look carefully. I have it. It's hard to hold it still when it's so small. There's a 10 here. And there's 10 markings between 10 and 20. So each of these markings are in the ones place. So we can only estimate to the tenths place, right? So we can't estimate to the hundredths place because I only have markings to the ones place. Okay, you got that? All right. So 19.9 is acceptable. 20.0 is acceptable. Okay? 19.8, I think that's a little low. Okay? Because if it ain't 20 dead on, it's awfully close to it, right? So I would accept, I think a reasonable estimate is 19.9 or 20.0. Even if you think it's dead on, you still have to estimate the last digit. And if you have to estimate the last digit when it's dead on, that's a 0 you're estimating. Got that? All right, so I want to make sure everybody's got all that, and then we're ready to do the actual chemical demonstration. Okay? Yeah. So let me stop this. So we have, what's in here?
Ethanol.
Ethanol, about 20 milliliters, and we measured it carefully.
What's that thing called?
What's called this? What is this called?
A gallon?
A penny jug.
Oh, it's way more than a gallon. It is a jug. Can you be more specific about the kind of jug? It appears to be a water jug. What color is it? It's slightly blue, but it's also transparent. All those are, listen please, all those, guys, all those are good observations. On your test, if you didn't write thorough observations, then you lost points. Look, it appears to be a water jug. It's transparent, but it has a blue hue or a blue tint. Okay? All those things are good observations. The measurements are observations. What does the chemical look like here that I put in here?
Water.
It appears to be clear, but it's not water. I already told you what it is. It's ethanol.
I know that.
But it is a transparent liquid. That's true. Okay? It appears to have the same consistency as water. Okay? Now you can't smell it from there, but if you were to smell it, how would you smell it?
It's not.
wafting, but only if I tell you it's okay. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour all that 20 milliliters in my jug. Okay, and I'm going to coat the inside. Okay, so I don't know, you might not be able to see it, but I've got it like all coated along the edges, and I'm just swirling it around here.
Where'd you live?
Yes, I did.
Hey, ethanol was in gas.
No, well, yeah, there is some. They do 15% ethanol at most of the gas stations. That's a good idea. Is everybody wearing their safety goggles?
Oh, wait.
Mrs. Garrett, it's not going to hit me all the way over here.
And it ain't gonna hit me neither.
All right, I've got to do this quickly now. You got to put your safety goggles on. I'm not going to do this.
Okay.
They don't even fit.
Watch what I'm doing. What's happening?
Oh, goodness. Okay, you're the inside. Okay.
All right. You need to listen.
Oh, my God. Oh, I'm not going to believe that. Never give me my dad again.
Pay attention.
I have nightmares for real.
Pay attention.
That's dangerous.
Actually, that's not.
Don't catch on fire. You gonna
That's
be
not going to catch on fire. Because what we have left is no longer
gonna get on
ethanol.
So it is the water. What is it?
That's mostly water.
You, but you should have.